Festive holiday drink recipes. Not only are these holiday cocktail recipes festive and tasty, but healthy enough to not pour out your health goals. From Christmas shot recipes to holiday vodka cocktails, you do not want to miss out this holiday season. Holiday cocktail recipes. 1. Apple cider mimosas. Why wait until the evening Christmas party? Kick off the holiday season with brunch with family and friends with apple cider mimosas. Simply pour apple cider into champagne flutes until about half full, then top with champagne. Garnish with apple slices and cinnamon stick. 2. Red wine hot chocolate. Red wine hot chocolate is the new peanut butter and jelly. This duo is not only luscious, but rich in heart-healthy antioxidants. To prepare, pour 1 cup skim milk with 1/4 cup dark chocolate chunks in a saucepan. Over medium heat, whisk together until the chocolate is fully melted, then add 5 ounces of red wine. Heat until hot, then pour into your favorite mug. Sip, sip, hooray! 3. Mulled wine. Start holiday festivities with a big batch of mulled wine. The wines boasts with all the spices associated with the holidays, while gifting the heart-healthy benefits of red wine. 4. Boozy eggnog. To this healthier-for-you eggnog recipe, add a single shot of spiced rum, whiskey, bourbon, or whatever else you may enjoy. 5. Geese-a-laying snowflakes. For a lighter twist on eggnog, shake up the geese-a-laying snowflakes recipe with a unique ingredient: fresh egg whites. But if apprehensive about using raw egg, rest your mind with these 5 safety tips for mixing cocktails with eggs. 6. The Grinch. Even the Grinch will get in the holiday spirit with this cocktail. Whip up the Grinch by filling up a cocktail shaker with 1 ounce of Midori, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of simple syrup, and ice. Pour into a martini glass and garnish with a cherry and lemon wedge. 7. Skinny Santa. This holiday vodka recipe is skinny and simple, featuring 3 mere ingredients, minus the ice. Start by muddling approximately 5 raspberries and combine with 1.5 ounces of lemon vodka and ice in a glass. Top with champagne and garnish with fresh raspberries. 8. Skinny White Russian. Have a white Christmas, even without the snow, with this holiday cocktail. Feel free to add swap coffee liquor with a cold-pressed coffee concentrate as desired. 9. Strawberry Margarita. Take a trip to the tropics with this guilt-free frozen strawberry margarita. Garnish with fresh lime wedges for a colorfully festive cocktail. 10. Pear Rum Punch. While most punch recipes contained concentrated juices, this healthier alternative is naturally sweetened with the pears. It is also dressed to impress thanks to the colorful garnishes of fresh pear slices and pomegranate seeds. 11. Yellow Snow Shot. For the light-hearted and inexperienced bartenders out there, whip up the yellow snow shot. It is simple: mix together 2 parts vanilla vodka with 1 part pineapple juice. Pour, gather your friends, and cheers to the holidays. 12. Santa Shot. And for those proclaimed and more seasoned bartenders, the Santa Shot, flashing distinct festive layers sure to impress your guests.